My name is Anju and today my topic is the big challenge of poverty in India. What is poverty? When a person fulfills their basic needs and when a person can't fulfill their basic needs like house, food and clothes. So when person can't fulfill these basic needs, so we can say it is a poverty. In India, poverty is a complex challenge with impacting the many pupils for handling and overall progress. So what is the causes of poverty? The main causes is unequal access to the resource, lack of education and skill development programs, lack of skills and lack of creation of the job, corruption and the natural disaster like flood, tsunami and earthquake also. So we should know how government measure the poverty. So the government have many criteria for measure the poverty. So first is income based measurement. This method measure the household's income as median income and average income in a country. Second method is consumption based method. This method focused on the spending, household spending in goods and services. Now if I talk about the consequences of poverty, so first consequence is child labor. Child labor is the main and harmful consequences of poverty. Second consequence is of the lack of access to education. Third is disadvantage of society. Fourth is malnutrition and health problems. So if I talk about the government initiative for this, so government have also some efforts for this like Pradhan Mantri Gramin Kalyan Yojana, Pradhan Mantri Jan Dhan Yojana, Ayushman Bharat Mission, Jal Shakti Mission and Pradhan Mantri Kisan Samman Nidhi, etc. So we should and we can many steps for decreasing the poverty, like through the education, and we can say through the free education, through the skill development programs, and through the empowerment. Empowerment is must and earth-shaking, you can say. Without empowerment and without us, government nothing can be done. So we should always aware. And finally, I want to say that we should always help to the poor. We should always respect to the poor, and we should always see the equal of the poor, equal of us. So it was all about my topic. Thank you so much for listening me, and nice to meeting you. Thank you.